Hey everyone, welcome back to Brutal Reviews. Today we're talking about the KARDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, the one that claims 500 W power, 40 kilopascal suction, 60 minutes runtime, LED display, and anti-tangle brush. Basically, it sounds like a premium vacuum without the premium price. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and some users said it works great for pet hair, cat litter, and everyday dirt, at least in the beginning. But here's the problem. This vacuum has been reviewed by thousands online, and while many people like it, several users had bad experiences, and around 5% of the reviews across the internet are brutally negative, and those complaints are not small issues. So let's break down the 6 major problems people are repeatedly reporting. Issue number 1. Misleading charging claims. One reviewer called out something that's honestly embarrassing. The listing claims the vacuum has 3 charging methods, but according to the customer, there's basically only one way to charge it, plugging the wire directly into the battery. And that charging dock? Yeah, they said it's basically a useless piece of plastic. The vacuum doesn't even sit properly, and it can fall off with the slightest touch. So if you bought this expecting a premium charging station experience, you got scammed by the product description. Issue number 2. Doesn't pick up pet hair properly. One buyer said they bought it because of the amazing reviews, and it completely failed at one of the main reasons people buy vacuums today: pet hair. Instead of sucking it up, the vacuum reportedly rolled the hair into a tube and dragged it around like it was playing with it. So if you have dogs, cats, or carpet with fur stuck inside, this vacuum might not clean, it might just redecorate your floor with hair sausages. Issue number 3. Dead-on arrival units won't turn on. This is where things get ugly. Multiple reviewers said they fully charged the vacuum, pressed the power button, and nothing happened. No motor, no lights, no suction, just silence. One buyer even returned it, got a replacement, and guess what? The replacement didn't work either. That's not bad luck. That's a quality control disaster. Issue number 4. Battery dies after a few months. Some users actually liked the vacuum at first, until the battery decided to give up on life. One customer said after about 3 months, the battery stopped working completely. Another said it worked great for a short time, and then suddenly started shutting off. So basically, this vacuum might be fine at the beginning, but long-term, it starts acting like a cheap toy that can't hold power. Issue number 5. Battery shows full, then dies in seconds. This might be the most infuriating complaint. Several users said the battery shows full charge, but the moment you start vacuuming, it dies in 5 seconds, or a couple minutes, or shuts off immediately. One person even charged it for 24 hours, and it still died instantly. That means the display is basically lying to you, giving you fake confidence until the vacuum quits mid-cleaning. Issue number 6. Spits debris back out instead of vacuuming. One reviewer straight up said the vacuum spits out what it tries to suck up, especially on hard floors. That's not a vacuum cleaner. That's a dust launcher. Imagine cleaning your floor and the vacuum is like, "Nice try, but I'm putting this dirt right back where you found it." At that point, you're not cleaning, you're just wasting time and getting annoyed. Final verdict: the KARDV Cordless Vacuum Cleaner looks great on paper and has tons of positive reviews, but based on these 1-star experiences, it has major problems with battery reliability, quality control, charging design, and real-world suction performance. If you get a good unit, you might love it. But if you get a bad unit, you're getting a vacuum that either dies fast, won't charge, won't turn on, or literally throws dirt back at you. So my honest opinion? This is a risky buy. If you need something dependable, spend a little more and go with a trusted brand. Buy link is in the description.